Greetings everybody. So I just created a demo video, but unfortunately I haven't been recording sound, so I have to recreate the entire thing. But that's good since I forgot how to show you how to uninstall the program in the last video. So I'm going to start with this. How do I uninstall custoMM, or however you want to say it? So you open up the file location from the shortcut right here, and there's an uninstall thing. So you click that twice and you click yes and remove, and that's it. And oh, it's currently running. Yeah, now if we exit, maybe it should. Okay, yeah, make sure to exit it before before uninstalling, because the package that I use for making the installers is not really smart and can't really tell. Or maybe it could, maybe I'm just dumb. Anyways, so let's go over this again. So you go to my Git or my GitHub, doesn't really matter. You navigate to the custoMM thing, and then you click releases. I can show you how to do this on GitHub as well, really quickly. So you go to repositories, you go to custoMM, and then you go to releases. There it is. And we have custoMM installer.exe. So yeah, that's cool. Right? So you download this. I already have it, but I'm going to download it again. Doesn't even matter. So it opens up, it downloads, and now you click it, and you open it up. Click more info, click run anyway. And then you give it admin. I swear to God, I'm not doing anything with your computers. If I hear that one more time, I'm going to be really mad, because you can literally look at the code, like right here. All of it, it's right here. I'm not doing anything malicious. Anyway. We accept the agreement, we do it in the destination folder, and we create desktop icon, right? So we wait for a second for it to run, right? If you're not in my Discord server, which I doubt you aren't, you have to go and open file location, go here, and open up config.ini. So right here, there's this URL, and your admin or like custoMM instance creator should give you a URL here for you to replace, also maybe even a password, and this is not even needed. I don't know why I have it, to be honest, but yeah, you can delete it if you want. So now we have it running, right? Let me just restart it just in case. So we restart it, right? Oh, we started. So the first thing you're gonna see when you click it is nothing, actually. That is interesting. Anyway, let me try right-clicking it. Yep, there we go. Okay, so the main click... Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, so when you click it, it just shows you your registration and stuff. And, right, yeah. So, and then you have two more buttons. Three, if you count the exit as well. You have manual game report, which basically goes into your match history and checks for any new games and sends them over to the server. You also have, let me just put this right here. You also have check for game, which is for your client to check if there's a game currently going on. I'm going to show you what that means in a second. But first of all, let me just delete the entire database from my server so I can show you how the authentication works. So give me just a quick moment. So just 3 clicks. And boom, right? So now the custoMM will be kind of tripped out. It just posted all the games, even though I didn't want it to. But anyway, now if you click, you'll see you have not claimed your account yet. Please claim it on Discord. Registered, yeah, there's a typo over there, but I'm gonna fix it, it's fine. But register account name, right? So you go over to Discord, you find the channel, even though you can do it at any channel, and you type in register, right? So now it says that we want to approve from client, right? It's not popping up automatically, so we click it, and there we go. We have this little dialog box, and you can click OK on it. You usually can't click OK on it. What the fuck is happening? Okay, there we go. We click OK, and now if we click it again, we see we're registered to Frog Spider, which is my Discord name, and then the account name. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Now let's go ahead and I'm going to show you what check for game is. So basically, the thing in this version, except like the icon thing. So the thing in this version is that when you have 10 people in the call and you type in begin game, and it gets split up by in the channels, right? You will create a game on the server. So the client is constantly asking the server if there's a current game right now. So let's say hypothetically there was a game, because right now there isn't because there's 2 people in the Discord. But let's say hypothetically there was a game and you have been chosen to be the creator of the game. So I currently just made that hypothetical a reality. And as you can see, I didn't click anything. However, I created a game and I joined it, and I even transferred to the other team. So now everybody else who's on in the game and has the program running will join the game automatically as well. And then when 10 people arrive in the game, it will start automatically. So yeah, that's about it for the custoMM thing. I don't think it's too complicated for the user. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for using, blah, blah, blah. Goodbye.